Imagine a world where you don't need to trust banks, lawyers, or middlemen to make deals, where everything runs on code that can't be changed, hacked, or manipulated. Welcome to the world of smart contracts. In this video, I'll break down what smart contracts are, how they work, and why they're a complete game changer in blockchain technology. Let's dive in. So, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is basically a self-executing piece of code that lives on the blockchain. It holds the rules of an agreement, and it automatically does what it's supposed to when those conditions are met. No paperwork. No delays. No middleman. Think of it like a vending machine. You put in your money, select a snack, and boom, it spits out what you picked. No haggling, no waiting. That's how smart contracts work, but with digital assets and blockchain instead of chips and candy bars. So how do smart contracts actually work? They're usually built on blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, or Polygon. Here's the process. A developer writes a smart contract using a programming language like Solidity. The contract gets uploaded to the blockchain. Once it's up there, it can't be changed. It'll always run exactly as it was programmed. Anyone can interact with it by sending crypto, making a trade, voting, or triggering some action. And every single thing that happens is recorded on the blockchain for everyone to see. So there's no cheating or sneaky business. Alright, let me give you some real-world examples. Smart contracts power all kinds of Web3 applications. Decentralized finance or DeFi. Lending, borrowing, or trading crypto on platforms like Uniswap, Aave, or Compound. All of that runs on smart contracts. NFT marketplaces. When you buy or sell an NFT on OpenSea, it's a smart contract handling the whole transfer. Gaming and the metaverse. You can own characters, land, or rare items, all with ownership and rules locked in by code. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. Voting, managing treasuries, making proposals. Smart contracts do it all with no CEO required. So, why do smart contracts matter? Trustless. You don't need to trust a person or a company. You trust the code. Automation, no manual work. Everything runs on if this, then that. Transparency, the code is public and all results are on-chain for everyone to see. Security, once a contract's deployed, it can't be changed or faked. Smart contracts are the foundation of Web3. They make a truly decentralized internet possible. But are smart contracts perfect? Not exactly. They're only as good as the code they're written with. If there's a bug or a flaw, it could get hacked. And we've seen that happen. That's why developers get their contracts audited before going live. And as a user, you should always stick to trusted platforms and audited protocols. So what's the bottom line? Smart contracts are more than just lines of code. They're transforming finance, business, gaming, art, and even how we govern online communities. Well, and the best part? Anyone with an internet connection can use them, or even build their own. Welcome to the future of trustless technology, powered by smart contracts. If you like this video, subscribe to Crypto Course, where I turn crypto confusion into clarity. Got questions about smart contracts, or want to learn how to build one? Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one.